Content is king, but one great idea rules the kingdom. Let's talk about it.
You just dropped a fire new video. It feels good until the pressure kicks in. Now you're expected to create new content for every single platform.
Instagram needs one thing, Threads wants something else, and TikTok, don't even start.
That constant pressure, it's a fast track to burnout. Most people believe every platform needs original content, but that's not sustainable, especially if you're a solo creator or small team.
And honestly, it creates inconsistent messaging, scattered efforts, and way too much work.
There's a smarter way. So here's the move. Start with one core idea. Think webinar, YouTube video, blog post, something with substance. That's your anchor. Now pull out 3 to 5 highlights. Each highlight becomes a piece of content that fits the platform it's on.
Next, match the message to the platform. Let the idea stay the same, but shape it for where it's going. Twitter or Threads, one bold, punchy line that starts a conversation.
Instagram Reels, a quick hit visual from the main idea.
LinkedIn, a thought-out, informative post with value up front.
TikTok, grab a hook, show some process, make it feel native.
Email, break it down into one key takeaway with a clear action. Same message, different frames.
Now, watch what hits and adjust. Check your analytics, see what content connects and where.
If your IG Reels pop off, but your TikToks flop, shift your effort.
If your blog gets shared more than your videos, repurpose the blog into clips. This is about learning how your audience interacts and meeting them there.
The best part? Repurposing content doesn't just save time, it builds consistency.
Your message gets stronger, not thinner.
Pick one piece of content you've already made. Pull out 3 pieces from it, adapt each one to a different platform. Then post, track, and adjust. One message, multiple doors, more clarity, less stress. Your move.